Hi, and welcome to the Price Action Analyst YouTube channel. This is Costco. I've been watching Costco for a while, and I just bought a call option on Costco in the last 5 minutes. So I'm just going to explain why I went long Costco, and then I'll get into the option details. So Costco had previously gone up and then down, retraced, very messy price action, but a clear breakout from this consolidation. So this is a leg up, 2 legs up, stalled at this previous high, and then has been consolidating in a downward pennant flag. And so I missed the ideal entry, which was the retest of these wicks at the Bollinger Band. So again, if you've got an uptrend, the retest to the bottom Bollinger Band are ideal places to go long. So you're heading in the same direction as the trend, but you're on the opposite side Bollinger Band. So again, any retest into these wick areas was a long. So theoretically, I'm a little bit late. But I mean, I am late, but that's the area, based off of this wick, any retrace into that rectangle, I want to get long. And so technically speaking, I think 5 minutes ago we were just inside that. I'm late, but technically when I hit that long, I'm still, pretty much just inside that rectangle. So drilling down to the intraday, and these are 5-minute bars. Let me just get rid of this. So these are 5-minute bars. That big bearish engulfing is the first candle from today. So it's come down, hit the trend line. This is this morning, the first 5 minutes, and proceeded up. And then when it's retested that, it's left a big wick. So what I was waiting for was if price had sort of rolled over, pushed through here, and come down and retested this gap. So my premise would still be long. This is another area to get long if price had pushed through here. Like what I don't expect price to just roll over and push through this wick and keep going. So even if it had come back and tested the gap here, I still expect it to move up. Also, you've got down action, up action, and then this down action now is very slight, which is also indicative that price is going to push higher. So I'm making a decision here off the 5-minute bar that when price came down here and we had strength and then you had a retest and a strong wick, I'm also so I hadn't got long yet here, hadn't got long yet here, hadn't got long that here, and on that green bar, that's where I entered the call option. So literally it's like 10 minutes ago. So I'm long as of here on that green bar. So I'm long because this second wick sort of is telling me that price is not really willing to push through here. But it's forming wicks here, so if it starts to push down here, that's also possible. But you've seen strength off this level multiple times, and this morning it was rejected again and a wick. So even if price washes here, I would still expect, you know, strength coming off here. But if price can break and hold above these two wicks here at 299.84, then I'm expecting it to come up and at least test this trend line. And you know, this is up and a sideways consolidation. I'm expecting another leg up here. So my call option is it's a 302.50 call option, and it's I think 22 days till expiry. So that's my strike price. So I need, I'm expecting, you know, price to push up here in the next couple of days. So I'm only, you know, I don't need it to push far. Even that will do. You know, that should be close to double the option price, more than probably. So I'm just waiting for it to break out and push up into here. And I think, you know, the thing that's the support, the reason you're seeing support here is because this consolidation zone, once this breaks, it acts as support. So when you get a breakout here on air, you know, this breakout was air, and ideally you want price to come and retest the air. This is air here, this untested price action. So here's another example of air, and when price comes down and retests the air, you get strength off that. But this air here, you know, it's providing so much support that price is kind of didn't even get close and pushed up. You know, didn't close the air, pushed up. Just, you know, washed this pivot, but still didn't close the air and pushed up. So I don't expect price to just roll over through here. It's possible, but this price action here is indicating that price is up. This is my upward bias or premise here. This is slight, you know, not very strong momentum downside, very long consolidation. So I'm expecting price to bust up here. It's just, hopefully it'll do it cleanly from here as opposed to coming down here and, you know, testing. Maybe it'll come down here and we'll actually close the air and then move up. So, I mean, if it does that, then it's going to be a lot harder to manage. But we'll just watch it in the meantime. So that is my trade. It's now looking good. So it's pushed above those highs here. So everything looks good so far. But this, you know, this is the indication here. This is telling you that buyers are stepping in here. So that's my option. It's 302.50, 22 days out. It's July 10. July 10, 302.50 option. So I'll just keep an eye on that, and I'll keep you up to date with what happens. But I just wanted to show you an almost live long trade and my reasoning for that. Thanks for watching.